If you're looking to maximize IT efficiency and streamline your business operations, GoTo Resolve's automated features could be the game changer you're looking for. In this video, I'll walk you through how GoTo Resolve helps businesses save time and enhance productivity through automation, and at the end, I'll share a better alternative to consider with some exclusive benefits for you. First off, let's dive into how GoTo Resolve automates common IT tasks. One of the standout features is its automated remote support. Instead of wasting time walking through troubleshooting steps, GoTo Resolve allows technicians to perform actions automatically, significantly speeding up issue resolution. This means less downtime and faster support for your team, all at the click of a button. With the automation in place, you're not relying on repetitive manual work, which reduces human error and improves overall efficiency. Next thing, the automation in GoTo Resolve extends beyond just remote support. The software also offers automated ticketing. As soon as an issue is reported, GoTo Resolve can automatically create a ticket, assign it to the appropriate technician, and prioritize it based on urgency. This streamlines the process and ensures nothing slips through the cracks, improving response time and boosting overall customer satisfaction. The fourth thing to consider is GoTo Resolve's integration with other tools. It connects seamlessly with popular IT management systems and CRMs, making it easier to pull data from different sources and use it efficiently. Whether you're managing an internal help desk or customer-facing IT solutions, this automation feature makes handling support requests less stressful. Moving on to the next thing, automated reporting. GoTo Resolve automatically generates detailed reports that can be customized to your needs, helping IT managers get a clear overview of issues, resolutions, and team performance. These reports not only save time, but also provide valuable insights that can help optimize your IT strategy moving forward. Now, I have to mention the limitations. GoTo Resolve's automation features, while incredibly useful, aren't without their faults. For example, it's somewhat limited in its customization options for certain automated workflows. Businesses with highly specific needs may find the automation features a bit rigid compared to other platforms. Additionally, while GoTo Resolve provides solid integrations, some users have reported that it can be a challenge to get it working with every tool in their tech stack. This could be a deal breaker for those with highly complex systems. With all that said, while GoTo Resolve is certainly a contender, there are other tools out there with even more robust automation features. One alternative worth mentioning is Insert Competitor Name, which offers more flexibility in customizing automated workflows and integrates with a wider variety of tools, especially for teams needing more complex IT solutions. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you about an exclusive offer we have. Through our link, you can get the best free trial and extended benefits for GoTo Resolve, plus access to a competitor that may better suit your needs. You can try them both for free and find the one that works best for your IT team. So, check out the link in the description for more details, and if you want to explore more automation features, don't forget to explore the alternatives as well. Maximize your IT efficiency today.